Questions 2 and 3 on our review are going back to theoretical probability. We don't have an experiment, we're just given the information and we need to find the answers to the questions. So the first question said we had a bag of M&Ms where we had 5 red, 9 blue, 3 green, 2 brown, and 11 yellow. We want to know the probability of picking a yellow or a brown M&M. This isn't 2 different picks. This is just one pick and it happening to be one of these 2 colors. I guess for some reason we just really like these colors today. So this is going to be very similar to how we did the eye color one. We have the yellow, that we know they're 11. So I'll put that here so we remember. And then we have brown. There are 2 brown. So we need to find the probability of picking one or the other. So either one works as our favorable outcome. So if we add those together, we get 13. Now, we have 13. All we need to do is find the total number of M&Ms in the bag. So, if we have 5 red, 9 blue, 3 green, 2 brown, 11 yellow, we just need to add them up. If we add them up, we get 30. So, our total probability for finding a yellow or brown M&M is 13 out of 30. If you were to make this a percent, you would divide 13 into 30, 13 divided by 30, which would give you 0.433, repeating. If you did that on your calculator, 13 divided by 30, make sure your 13 is first, then you would move the decimal 2 places, and that would be 43.3%. So either of these answers are acceptable. Now, this one is going back to our first day of probability when we talked about what probability is. So we have a bag of M&Ms. We don't know how many are in the bag. We just know fractions of how much each color represents. So we know that 2/5 of them are blue and 1/2 are green and the rest are yellow. We just have 3 colors in this bag. So we want to know the probability of picking a yellow M&M. Well, we're not given the fraction for the yellow. We only know the blue and the green. But we're in luck because we remember that probability always adds up to 1. So if we know that 1/2 is the first one, the second one, and then we have 2/5 for the blue, we just need, not 5/2, 2/5. We just need to make these common fractions have common denominators so we can add them up and figure out what part is missing to get to the whole. So let's start with 1/2. If we want to make that 1/2 and 2/5 have a common denominator, we should use 10. So I'll go ahead and write my 10 down here for the 1/2. So we do 1/2, so we got to multiply top and bottom by 5. These are 5s, I promise. And you will get 5/10. So 1/2 is the same thing as 5/10. Then we have 2/5. We need to make that one also have a 10 in the denominator. So 5 times 2 and 2 times 2. So we have 4/10. Okay, well we know that we need to get to 1 whole, which is the same thing as 10 over 10. So we need to figure out what we're missing right here in order to get there. Well, if you know 5 plus 4 is 9, so we just need 1 more to get to 10. So then the probability of picking a yellow is 1/10. And that's it.